Hey guys, appreciate from my debate from my heart, and really great to see you guys again. Last time, 2 days ago on Tuesday, we had a live show about the factory tour. We had a thorough visit to our different areas of our office, the production room, including SMT room, where all the LED and IC chips are printed to the PCB board. The production cell, we assembled these cabinets together in the dark room where we do the calibration. And we visited our aging room and checked how we burn the LED panels before they are dispatched to our customer. For those who missed our first online meeting, don't worry, we have the video recorded and uploaded to our YouTube channel. Please search CreateLED on YouTube and you'll find our first online meeting record. Today, I'm hearing my echo. I don't know. I'll figure that out later. Okay, today we'll talk about the indoor and outdoor fixed installation applications. We'll discuss some fixed installation scenarios, including conference room, monitor room, vault room solutions, and some out-of-home digital solutions. We are really happy, guys, to have you guys in the meeting, and we do have the schedule here today. First of all, we're gonna experience a real online meeting using our conference room solution. Second, we will go through some of our indoor and outdoor project references for fixed installation. Today, our topic is fixed installation, right? And third, we'll have a close look and try to analyze some beneficial features of our indoor and outdoor products. Okay, you ready for the journey? Let's do it. Welcome to CreateLED conference room. Here we're gonna show you our latest and innovative conference room solution. There are many projectors and LED video wall solutions in the market for different companies right now, but here we'd like to recommend a brand new and up-to-date solution for you all. Here we go. We are having an online meeting right here. Hey guys. Hey guys. There we go. Just trying to let it know. The screen itself is an all-in-one meeting mirror, or we can mirror our laptop, our tablet, or even our cell phone out here. Let me show you. It is a totally touchable screen with an IR frame embedded, right? Embedded. I'm gonna show you our brief introduction of this one. We call the solution Jumbo Genie LED TV. And we do recommend our first two most popular sizes to you, which is 139 inches and 108 inches. We can achieve these diagonal sizes by putting 9 pieces of AirTV 46 together, or we can put 18 pieces of AirTV V1 together. just trying to make it clear, because I do think you are already expert in visual solutions. These are the whole set is a full HD resolution. The size depends on the different pixel pitch, which is the 139 inches is 1.6 millimeter pixel pitch, and 108 inches diagonal size is using 1.2 millimeter pixel pitch LED LEDs. It is very suitable for applications like house cinema or conference room, monitor room, classroom even, or somewhere we need to have a meeting or remote meeting, you know what I'm saying? And the visual availability is around close to 180 degree. So we can have a close look at here. Right? There's no color shift. If it's too bright,看到我的屏幕。
我是不是加错？配件不用啊，配件有啊。
We can also embed our speakers or remote control as a one package into the LED screen to make it like a real big television. It's like an ultimate retrofit or replacement for the existing LED TV walls, right? LCD TV walls. Very lightweight construction. We only need several bar structures to make a wall-mounted situation onto the existing wall. Or we can hang it up or stand it alongside your wall to make it a standing application. It depends on your request, right? Here are some brief comparison between the LED TV wall and the LCD video wall. As we all know, the LCD have the bezels. We can actually generate the bezel-free television wall by applying LED technology onto the scenario, right? And also the brightness and contrast ratio is totally we were talking from a different level. We're talking from a different aspect. Well, for maintenance-wise, as we all know, the LCD TV wall is more easily to get damaged. Like if you hit someone with a high heel point, the whole screen gonna crack. But when we were talking to LED, it's more precise to get repaired. We only take one single module out and replace with a new one, and it's all done. It's pretty simple. Probably all these advantages together makes LED a little bit costly than the LCD right now, but I do think in the near future the LED price is dropping down since the technology is more and more mature. And also, we can also compare it with the projectors, like many conference room or camera cinemas, movie theater, they're using projections to deliver the image or video. Projectors, they're really good, but the only thing is the light kills projections, right? And the light attenuation is severe because you have to replace the light source, the bulb, maybe half a year or once a year. So there's another cost for that. But LED TV the lifetime for each LED will last a lot longer than the light bulb or the LCD panel, and that is our advantage. The color space and color range of the LED is from a different level of the other applications like LCD video walls. The LED color range is far more larger than the LCD, and we can generate a more vivid color or image more close to what our human eye is capturing. It's like human eye is like a very precise AI camera that doing a lot of color processing inside our brain, but we just don't know that. And what we can do is to get as close as what we can capture by our own eyes. Also about the touch function. Let's do a test here. One single knot. You can react to your finger or the pen. Or we can use 2 fingers. Or we can use 5. Right? How about we use 10? Things will get a little bit messy out here. I will use my 5 fingers. Masterpiece. So it's quite useful when we were doing it. It can be replacing the traditional blackboard or whiteboard in education scenarios. What do you think, right? Because all the teachers or tutors, they're using not using this kind of finger touch-based displaying method to show what they got, right? They're they're suffering from something different. Or for another scenario, we can share our laptop or tablet or phone to the same screen. Let's do this. What you have to do is you have to ensure that all the devices gonna display on this unit are connected to the same network. And this one, at this very moment, we're gonna choose Android IP. We're gonna connect our laptop, our tablet, iPad, and also our cell phone, our mobile out here. Let's try to do this. Like this is my iPad. If I mirror my iPad into that, you see that? We can do some scratches out here. Let's get in my phone. or the skin in my laptop. My laptop is sleeping. All right. Well, that is my laptop anyway. So if we want to focus on one screen, we can zoom it. And do some stretching out here. Zoom it out. So my phone. I'm not gonna show you guys my pictures. Too private. Network here is not good. Anyway, this is what we can do on the screen. Just hope you like it. All right. And next, we're gonna go through some of our indoor and outdoor project references. I'm gonna share you some projects we did before, worldwide, including in China and in America and in other different countries. Let's do this. Give me a second, please. Before that, I'm gonna set my background into the video. For fixed installation scenarios, we're going to divide it into two parts, which is indoor applications, including conference room, monitoring room, vault room, and meeting room, or even casinos. And for out of home digital signage, we're going to let you guys know what we did for some outdoor museums, or some application we installed inside, but facing outside, we use like outdoor brightness products for that application. All right. Part one, conference room, like find pixel page. Some product we're gonna be involved in this topic will be TV46, AirTV, AirTV-V1, and also AirMag R. We're talking about our fixed options. I'm gonna go through all these products one by one later. All right. The first one is Samsung Conference Room Seal. It's a very good project. We did years before now. I think the pixel page is 2.2, and since the screen size is not exactly 6:9 or 4:3, we have to. Sometimes when they do the presentation, we have to set the rest of the background into wooden background, just exactly the wooden background beside it. And the color fidelity and uniformity is really good that not anyone can find that is actually screen instead of the wooden background. So I don't have the picture of showing the wooden backgrounds on here. I'm sorry, but it is a really successful subject we did. Another very good project we did using AirTV 46. The TV 46 1.6 millimeter pixel pitch is what we did in Shanghai. It's also a conference room, and we installed a 139 inches diagonal sized screen in their meeting room. Totally bezel free. Very good color fidelity. You can see the whites out there is very uniform. APEC conference room. This screen was only installed. The installation gonna only last like within 2 hours, I think. Very quick installation. We use AirMag series product. In China, India Trade Development Conference. What we did in Perth Airport is a very clever design to combine the commercial and flight information together, because when you're looking for your flight, you have to go through the burgers and fries that showed and make you actually really hungry. Very good design. And also it's very essential to display the basic, the title, the subtitles, the informations clearly enough for the audience to see, because this is flight information. And also Pechanga Casino in California, installed by our long-term partner. Very good installation. I think the pixel pitch is 2.6 millimeter and is 7 panels by 4 panels, which exactly 3.5 meters by 2 meters. Very good color. You can see from the left picture that the woman's face is covered with black powder, and there are so many different levels of black and gray. It actually represents the grayscale is showing really good on that screen. Otherwise, all the black can merge into one black, and you cannot tell any detailed information through that picture. The part 2 is some project references we did before for out-of-home digital signage. The product involved in this part will be AirUltra Ultra series, which is fixed options, and also Air Media V1 for larger pixel pitch. The project we did in Netherlands airport, the Schiphol airport, just outside the terminal. A very large screen. We replaced our screen with to the formal Philips screen, I think. And also US Open, we installed 4 different scoreboards in the main stadium. The pixel pitch is 10 millimeter. And we used AirUltra series to do that. The Sky Museum in Japan. This is how it looked like when it goes dark. Very good installation. It's installed behind the glass. So it's like an installed inside facing outside application. And also the video content in the right picture was also made by CreateLED. Very good videos though. Generate the 3D illusion. Just like I mentioned in the first online training, the meeting, we are not only providing hardware, the LED screen, but also we can provide the control system and video content and content management system as one package. And some outdoor mobile trailer. The pixel pitch, I think, is 3.9 millimeter. And right now, the finest pixel pitch for outdoor, we can get 2.9. Well, many customers ask me the question, like, what is the lifetime of the trailer screen? Well, it actually depends on how you drive the trailer, right? If you're like a crazy driver, it's gonna be worn out in one hour probably. But basically, the same as the indoor and the other indoor and outdoor applications. All right, there we go. Just some of it. And the next step, we're gonna show you around here. We have some ready to go cameras up here. AirTV one, AirTV. The same cabinet, and also their modules, and they're immediately well. So basically, at the other side of the table, they're for indoors, and this side of the table is for outdoors. Let's go indoor first. Also, we have the service tool for that. Look at that. The glass section, vacuum section, update one. There we go. AirTV. Many of our customers is actually very familiar with this design. 400 meter by 450. And the finest picture we can reach is 0.8. We did a very, very successful project in New York, Manhattan, New York, and we just finished that installation. This February, I think, we installed a 4K video screen using AirTV 0.83, so very high definition. Light enough to lift up. Very neat design from backward. And when you install it as a whole screen, you cannot see any external cables coming outside because we are using connection pins instead of connectors. Hold on a minute, I gotta. There we go. This screen ratio 400 by 450 is very good for us to generate, to configure it into a 16 by 9 screen ratio. And what in my hand right now is 1.2 millimeter. Okay. Also, we have got our new updated version, AirTV V1. We can have a comparison between these two, side-wise. This is the new version, updated version. This is AirTV. So size-wise, it's like half the depth, right? More thinner, more close to the wall, means we will save more space behind the screen. Also better heat dissipation. Many people may be confused why this one is better with a better heat dissipation. This is super thin, and we use a die casting aluminum structure to make it heat dissipate better. And also, if we use the flood suction tool out here, we can easily, a vacuum suction tool out here, totally front serviceable. This one is not for back service. We will install the cabinet first and screw it onto the wall, then attach the modules in front of it. There's no outside handles onto design onto that kind of panel, because we are using like a built-in handle up here. What strikes me most is CreateLED products, they always design it really good with a very fashioned back, you know what I'm saying? Right? I mean, this one, just look at it, you'll fell in love with the first look, right? And also the button out here. We only got one testing button. And when it's powered to the, when we power it on, it will show red. And when the data is functioning well, the green light flickered at a frequency, at a certain frequency. And when the signal gone bad or lost signal, is flickered quicker, you know what I'm saying? So you can easily tell the difference when only one light is flickering and not, or is actually showing red color or green color. For this one, yes, all cable runs internally. Forgot to say, please feel free to leave a message at the chatting room or leave a question out there and we will answer it one by one, all right? There will be another version of AirTV V1. We are using ebony technology and COB technology to this kind of design. And we will divide the part into topic 6, which is going to be ebony and COB, an innovative solution for conference room later. We can talk about it later. Paul is asking me, why do you wear a shirt, t-shirt? Is it cold in Shenzhen, my friend? Well, actually, I'm wearing one shirt. It's not cold. It's not cold, although it's a little bit cold yesterday and the day before. Today is good. Temperature is fine. You know, the climate is changing. It's actually changed really quick. You don't feel winter much, right? The next product we're gonna introduce is our TV46. The reason why we call it TV46 is the diagonal is 46 inches, which means this is a very good visual fit for the existing TV 46 inches LCD video wall. The screen itself is 16 by 9 for visual. We can generate a full HD resolution easily by making it a 3x3 configuration or 4x4, 5x5. From the back side of it, very neat design. This is totally fully front accessible and serviceable. Not the back, only front. And we'll use the vacuum tool to service that, right? All the cables, power supplies, receiver cord, hotboard, we're gonna access from the front. This is the kind of product we did for the Google conference room in Shanghai. If we take out one of the modules by the vacuum tool, with my hand, you can see like there are tiny magnets in the corner, and also there are magnets out here. We can do some tiny micro z-axis adjustment by spinning the magnet out here to get a very, very flat and bezel-free video wall solution. And also they're also using pins to connect the modules and the cabinet. We're not using any cables between the cabinet and the modules. Just remember, up, always going to the upside. For Series 46, you get 1.6, 2.1, and 2.6 pixel pitch available. What bandwidth state is required for screen monitoring for a centralized option? About this question, we're going to discuss it later on our software topics, all right? The next one, if you're looking for something with bigger pixel pitch, like bigger than 2.6, like 3.9, 4.6, or 5.2, even 6, I would recommend you guys to AirMag R cameras. This one, we do have a rental version and a fixed installation version. This one is a fixed installation version. Some design is very good because we're using 2 side locks out here. This is a direct lock, but we can change into curve lock, which we can adjust the angle with freely. And also for the power box supply. 2 free installation. We don't need any tools to assemble or disassemble the power supply. And also, this is totally front and back serviceable, which means we can put it from front, pretty good, right? One might ask, how about the module? Do a test on the module. There are always safety cords here to avoid accidentally drop. Some clients just informed us there might be an update for the safety cord, and we're doing that as well. If we want to do it back forward, front and back serviceable. Super easy to be installed. If we're looking for outdoor options, we can also use this kind of cabinet design. We only need to make sure that we do outdoor treatment for the panels and the connectors, for the modules and the connectors. We can use this. We can share the same cabinet. An outdoor version we call it AirOutdoor. It adapts the benefits from Air Magar all the same, and this is the very steady and standardized design, which is actually 500 by 500 millimeter panel size. Here's a snap lock system. It's like a click-on lock, so that's the reason why we call it snap. We don't need to using two hands to lock and unlock that. One hand installation. And this is it. We're tearing down. Although the test button, we also use one. Only one test button out here. The color and frequency are going to tell you if there's a problem or it's working fine. Hey Paul, we'll show you guys later the mounting structure, right? We'll take you guys to our big conference room where we installed a 139 TV46, 9 pieces. That's where we can see how it's going with a full, complete installation. So the next one we're going to talk about is our the big monster out here. There's a AirTV V1. This kind of assembly in here is pixel pitch size, and also we can make it like 6.9 or 15. Take it from the back. The panel size is 500 by 1000 millimeter, which means we can save a half installation time if we were using AirOutdoor, right? It is totally front and back serviceable and accessible. Although the panel is shaped, the corner is shaped 45 degrees, we can easily generate a 90-degree corner. Tool frame installation as well, tool frame maintenance. But if we are doing it from the front, we will need two. Someone might ask, how do you take down one of the modules from the front? Let's do it. These kind of keys, these are from modules. There we go. When it locked from the front side, it's open the back side. When you lock the back side, it's open the front side. Why is this? The masks are screwed in the panels for outdoor products. So if we want to move the mask, we're going to use a screwdriver to unscrew the bolts. That's all we got for the fixed installation scenarios. Now we can take you guys to our big conference room to check. Despite the 108 inches installation, we have got the 139 inches like no installation. I'm training online out here. Everyday training, fixed installation scenarios. This is television, TV46 1.6 millimeter pixel pitch with a 3x3 configuration night business with everyday technology on the surface. This is how it looks from the front side. If we look from the side, you can tell how thin the depth is. The full installation will be around like 75 to 80 millimeter, which is less than 10 centimeters, right? Very thin dissipation, very good heat dissipation, so don't worry about the heat when you're assembled it really close to the wall. All right. Hey guys, if you got any questions, you are really welcome to turn your speakers on. We can discuss right now. If you want to have a closer look of the products, just let me know, and just let me know which one you want to have a closer look, and we're gonna show you guys more detailed information. All right. Last but not least, I want to appreciate everyone, and I want to let you guys know to thank you from from our heart, and please take care, stay healthy, stay at home, don't go anywhere, stay safe. Thank you guys very much. Till the next time. Goodbye. Thank you.